A sash is the window that moves up and down in the window frame. If both the top and the bottom sash are movable, it's called a double hung window. On the top of each side of the sash, you'll find a latch. When the latches are pulled together, it will allow the window to tilt in. Raise the window about 2 or 3 inches. Push the latches together and open the window so that it's about 90 degrees. On the bottom corner of each sash, you'll find a pivot bar. The pivot bar fits into the pivot shoe. The shoe fits in the track and allows the window to move up and down, and also is the hinge point to allow the window to tilt in. When in this position, some manufacturers' sashes simply lift out of the shoes. This American Craftsman window is a little tricky to remove. To reinstall the sash, insert the pivot bar into the lower shoe. And then the other bar into the higher shoe. Push in the latches. If you need to remove the top sash, as I do, I bought a replacement sash and need to install it. The bottom sash has to be removed first. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos, and thanks for watching.